Unleash your inner artist and transform your ideas into eye-catching stickers with the power of AI. First, let's get you set up with Leonardo AI by creating an account. Head over to Leonardo AI and click on the Sign Up button. You can easily sign up using your Google or Discord account for a quick and secure process. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. Once your account is active, navigate to the image generation tool. This is where the magic happens. To create a sticker, we'll use prompt engineering. Think of your prompt as a detailed description for the AI. Be specific about the subject, style, colors, and any essential elements like outlines, which are perfect for stickers. For example, try typing "cute dinosaur sticker," cartoon style, bright green with a thick black outline on a transparent background. Experiment with words like flat design, minimalist, illustration, or kawaii to guide the AI's artistic direction. After generating a few sticker options, simply click on the image you like best. You'll see a download button. Click it to save your high-resolution sticker, ready to be used on anything from your laptop to your water bottle. Now you're ready to design and download your very own custom stickers. Explore different styles, experiment with prompts, and let your creativity flow. Share your amazing sticker creations with friends and on social media.